Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Little Explorers. Today we are going to do something different. We are going to make a paper flower today. So let's get to the video. So for that we need a square paper, 7 into 7 centimeter square paper. Then we will fold it into a triangular shape. Then again we will fold it. Again we should fold it. 3 times we will fold. Now second time we are going to fold. Okay, now we will fold the third time. And now we will draw our petal shape on it. Now let's cut it. Now let's open and check. And we got our paper flower. Let's try to make another paper flower. Fold it same 3 times into triangular shape. 3 times we should fold. We can draw any shape on it and we will get our shaped petal. Now let's cut it. Now let's open it and check. We will get another shaped petal. Look. Wow. So I think you all like this video and learned how to make a paper flower. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's me, Krista, signing off from this episode of Little Explorers. Bye friends. See you at next video.